this is literally going to be a very quick one. Just so you all know, I've had these stickers delivered. I just want to know what your guys think on just choosing the design. So here they are. I've stuck them to a bit of cardboard just so you guys can see it a little bit clearer. Which font do you like best? I actually think I like this one better. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get it so the R and the P can be different colours, so red, green, you know, the usual VXR colours, and other colours upon request. So if you guys are interested in them, I'm not sure on price yet, but I can't see it being very expensive if I'm honest with you. It just depends on what postage is going to be. So like I said, I'm going to try and get it as cheap as I can for you guys. They are a decent size, as you can see here. If I can just hold it up to the window, you can see they are quite a decent size. Not too big. I think I prefer the bottom one. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I can get a bunch of these ordered for you. And let me know what colours you prefer. But I think I am going to order some of each red and blue, but in this style font. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys.